Mesua cried softly as they hurried off into the night. Mother Wolf appeared in the shadows nearby. She called to Mowgli. She called Mowgli and said, I will go with them. I will go with Mesua and her husband. They will be safe. Don't worry. She assured him that they will be safe. Mowgli and the four brothers stayed behind to make sure that no man from the village followed. Mowgli and his four brothers stayed back in the village to make sure that no man from the village follows them or comes to know where they have gone. The next morning, Mother Wolf sent Chil the eagle with a message. Mesua and her husband were safe in a village 30 miles away. Chil came with a message that Mesua and her husband are safe in a village 30 miles away from that village. Mowgli, however, was still angry with the villagers because of what they did to Mesua and her husband. He hated them all and wanted to punish them. He wanted to punish villagers for troubling Mesua and her husband. Only Hathi, the elephant, could help him. Only he was wise and strong enough. Now, thinking about the Hathis, he remembers only the Hathis are wise and strengthful. They are strong to take the revenge from the villagers. Mowgli found the elephants coming out of the river. He spoke respectfully and explained to the great creator how much he and Mesua suffered because of the villagers. When Mowgli met Hathi on the river bank, he spoke to them and explained them how he and Mesua has suffered because of the villagers. Hathi, leader of elephants, I come to you for help. Mowgli speaks to Hathi that I have come to take help from you. Please help me. Make these bad people leave the village. Let the jungle come back to this place. I request you to make those bad villagers to leave the village. And lastly, we'll make jungle there. I want this village to be a jungle. Mowgli did not want any of the people killed. He only wanted the elephants to make them leave. Mowgli didn't want to kill any of the villagers. Just he wanted them to leave the village as his human mother and father were forced to leave the village. He did not understand all that he was feeling because all these feelings were new for him. But Hathi and his herd knew how evil, how bad men could be and agreed that the people should go. Hathi and the group of Hathis, all the elephants, knew that the villagers are bad and agreed with Mowgli that people should leave the village. The elephants didn't hurry. They had a plan. Hathis did not react immediately. They made a plan. They circled the village and within a week they ate all the vegetables in the fields. Now Hathi or the elephants circled or surrounded the village and within a week's time ate all the vegetables in the field. Then they freed the bulls and cows. Now bulls and cows were tied up, so they were also freed. Now the villagers had no food. Now villagers didn't have any food to eat or to survive. Still they stayed there. But when the elephants crushed the fences under their huge feet, the surroundings of the houses, the fences which were made around the houses, and pulled the roofs from the huts, the villagers ran away in fright, in terror, in fear. In a few months the rains came Now what you understood? That all the villagers left the village in fear. In few months the rains came and washed away everything that was left. Now after the villagers left, whatever was left out in the village was swept away, was washed away with the rain. By the end of the rainy season, the village was gone. The village was destroyed. Man was gone. There was no man there. Everybody left the village. From this lesson, you must have understood why Mesua and her husband were punished by the villagers and how Mowgli helped them to rescue to a safer place. With this, I complete your lesson 6 and 7 of your Mowgli novel. That is your UT syllabus. So read the chapters and complete the exercises. Thank you. God bless you all.